I had mentioned that someone told me you could cut off the extra little stems that you prune off of a tomato and put them in water, which I did. It's been a week or a little bit more, and so I wanted to show you what that looks like now and how I'm transplanting them. Also, for some weird reason, one of the containers, something came and ate every single little stem off, but the other two that were right next to it did not have that problem. You guys, look at this. I don't know what, but I had a whole bunch of tomato seedlings started here. Well, they were like the cuttings, and so I was planting them, and there's not a single one. There's just like a little green scrap in there. But for some reason they didn't take these, and they didn't take those. But these are surely all the way gone. Just that one. And I don't think they're on the ground. So I don't know what happened, but those are gone. So I'm gonna show you what I have right now. So here's my two containers, little glass jars with the branches that I picked off of my tomato plant. Do you see how there's some longer and some shorter roots growing? I already transplanted one into this container. If you remember, if you recycle containers, you got to poke holes in the bottom. So I have a few more. I'll do a couple. I have a few different kinds of containers. So I have this, and I'm going to use that for one. I could do it just the whole size, but I think I'm going to cut it down just a little bit. And then you never know. I'll save that for now until I'm all done with everything. And then I need to put holes in for drainage. Since I have a mesh tabletop, I can just poke through the table and it doesn't hurt it. Just need, I don't know, 3 or 4 holes. You can make holes with nails and a hammer, however you want to do it. And I've got my dirt. This is dirt that I have combined potting soil, sand, some leaves from the yard, and compost from chickens and from vegetable scraps. So I just fill it up, take one of these guys. I might take one of my shorter ones since it's not a super tall container. So this is about right. And it's got some good roots in there. I'm just gonna make a little space for it to gently set it in. Pretty far in. Pat it around in there. And then once I do all of them, I'll water them. That should be a pretty good little tomato plant. I'll do one more. Well, here's one that I wanted to try. Let's see if I have a short one. I think I'll use this one. Okay, so I think it's fun and sometimes funny to use recycled containers, but I need the whole height of this. So my idea is I'll just cut a hole on the top so that it's tall, but it'll be growing out of a takeout container. And I'll save this little piece here for a label or to fill a hole that needs, like if I have a box with a hole in it, and poke holes, and I twist it on the other side. Put some dirt in here. You know, and once they get bigger, I'll have to transplant them into larger containers, but it's perfect for now. Okay. Take this, make a little hole. It's bent, and I'm gonna leave it that way. There we go. Now we have a little to-go container for tomatoes. I'm gonna use this also. Cut this down and use this for one, and then find a couple other little scraps here and there. That is how you plant tomatoes, from scraps that you got when you were pruning your tomato plants in the garden. So things are coming along very nicely. I've got those transplanted, my to-go container, a couple more here. So if you like this video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions or comments for me, please leave them in the comment section down below. And if you have anything you want to know how to do or anything you're curious about, let me know and I'll try to make a video about that too. And if you want notifications for future videos, hit the bell button for notifications. But I hope you all have a great day. Thank you for stopping by and spending time with me in my garden and on my porch. And I love you guys. Have a great day and take care. Mwah.